You didn't tape that, did you?
Not yet. Talk to the tools.
No.
Who wants to be sharpened today?
Who wants to be sharpened today? All of them.
They all want to be sharpened?
Yeah.
I thought you just sharpened not too long ago.
I do, but I have to sharpen all the time. You know? Okay, this is what I do.
Okay.
I put these. And all these different stones, they're water stones. Different grades of coarseness, and since these have been ground and recently, I'm going to use a pretty fine stone. I don't need to take very much off, just a real light sharpening. And while that's going, I'm going to get this one water stone. This is a polishing stone. I'm going to get that wet, and I am going to smooth out the top a little bit, create this slurry.
What is it you're using to?
Just another stone, just a softer stone that sort of melts away, cleans off the top, makes it smooth, leaves a little slurry. This stone actually split because I left it in the water.
Oh.
And I think because it's mounted on a base.
Oh, it expanded it.
Yeah. Yep. So, but
does that affect?
No, it still works. I thought it would maybe hurt the sharpening, but actually it doesn't. So, okay, so this one's ready to go. Just go at it. Kind of in a circular, like this, circular motion.
And then you rock back and forth on the end.
Yeah, it's going. It's a gouge. Kind of.
How do you know what angle to do?
You know, you just over time, it's just by feel. And again, I'm going to feel a slight burr, but not yet, so I haven't gone far enough. Sometimes I check the back. That feels right. A little bit of a burr. I take that off, the slipstone. Rinse it off before I go to the next stone, because these are different coarsenesses. You don't want to mix them. So I take and I'll wash this one off a little bit before I put it back. Same kind of movement. Sometimes I tip it just a little bit. Get that edge. This really doesn't take off much metal. It's mostly polishing it.
The other one took off metal.
Just a little bit, yeah.
And that's just to get the burr off the very edge.
So I wipe it off.
What does it look like now?
Well, it doesn't look like much of anything. It's still a little bit.
Well, it's got a little bevel.
Yeah.
And the tip is sort of flat.
It's not shiny, so this is where we go next.
Oh.
Two different grades of rubbing compound. One for the coarse one for the beginning. Just hold it on there. Don't push it. Don't push hard. Just kind of let it do its job. You always want to get the front too. Always wipe it off before you go to the next grade of buffing compound. This is the real shiny one. This is going to give it that nice mirror finish, super sharp.
Let's see these.
That's nice.
The wheels are
There's two different buffing wheels.
buffing wheels. What is it made of?
Cotton.
It's cotton.
They're just cotton. There it is, shiny. Ready to go.
Very shiny.
You know, I'll use this for a while, and it'll start to get dull.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll touch it up. When I'm carving, I'll just bring it over here, touch it up. I can do that a few times before you have to sharpen again. It's nice. You just put another use. You just get that nice mirror finish on it. It's razor sharp all over again.
See.
Okay.